Hello guys, so this is a short video in complement to the previous video on the strumming with without pick. So I had a question from Greg about the upstroke. So basically I have this part of the nail that is touching the string. So the thumb, the polish on the thumb needs to be very, very strong. It's a good way to try out my new nail polish. Yeah, I think it can do the job. So yes, so again, this part basically is the one that is, even this, that's why I have a little, So this part is gonna touch during the upstroke. Okay, don't try to go with all the thumb because it's not convenient. So it's really, really the external part of the finger. Yeah, so it touches really here, and I keep my index all the time like this, basically. All right, I hope it was helpful, and see you soon, guys. Bye.